Changing the cabin filter for the new Citan starts on the driver's side, namely with the removal of the collar on the shift lever. The cover underneath is next. When undoing the clips, work your way from the bottom to the top. Depending on the appointments, you need to disconnect some electrical connections before removing the first part. We continue with the trim. Undo some clips and the next part is removed. Then the big trim piece underneath is next. To do this, remove 2 screws first. Then the clips in the footwell, on both sides of course. The long wedge does the rest, and already the last part on the driver's side is removed. Continue on the passenger side. Remove the 2 covers. When you now open the glove box, you get easy access to all 7 screws. When all the screws have been removed, unlock the glove box with the retainer and take it out of the guide. The air duct is attached with a clip on the right side. Undo this and remove the air duct. The dust filter to be changed is under this cover. Ex-factory, a one-piece filter is installed. On removal, the filter gets broken. In contrast, the new filter is composed of a top and a bottom part. A guide rail connects the 2 parts and stabilizes the upper and lower dust filter. To install the first filter into the lower opening. Make sure that the filter is correctly positioned. The tab must be at the top. Then, insert the top filter with the guide rail already mounted. To insert the filter properly, lift it up slightly at the end. Push in the tabs and close the filter box again. With that, the change of the dust filter is complete, and the Citan can get back on the road of the urban jungle.